Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the actress bikini fashion. Rakul Preet Singh bravely defies the biting cold, plunging into a frigid pond with nothing but a sizzling hot bikini to shield her from the elements. Despite the mercury plummeting to a bone-chilling -15 degrees Celsius, she fearlessly embraces the wintry landscape. In a captivating video clip, the actress is seen amidst a group of intrepid tourists, nestled in a picturesque hilly region, listening attentively to their guides' instructions amidst heavy snowfall. Emerging from the warmth of a rustic wooden sauna, Rakul exudes confidence in a stunning light blue floral bikini, her allure enhanced by the contrast against the snowy backdrop. With beads of sweat glistening on her skin, she exudes a mesmerizing charm as she steps out, ready to embrace the icy waters of a natural swimming pool. Surrounded by a blanket of ice and snow, Rakul's bold plunge into the chilly waters epitomizes her dedication to maintaining a healthy routine. Despite the frosty surroundings, she radiates sensuality and grace, her silhouette a striking contrast against the wintry landscape. The beauty flashes a radiant smile at the camera, her joy evident as she briskly makes her way back to the inviting warmth of the sauna. With each step, she exudes confidence and poise, effortlessly blending beauty with resilience. Her fearless embrace of the icy waters not only showcases her undeniable sex appeal but also underscores her commitment to maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. In every frame, she epitomizes strength, grace, and a relentless pursuit of wellness, captivating viewer with her irresistible charm and unwavering determination. Pooja Hegde is luxuriating in the tranquil beauty of the Maldives, a paradise where she effortlessly commands attention with her timeless elegance. Whether she graces the sands in a sultry bikini or dazzles on the red carpet in a glamorous gown, her presence is nothing short of captivating. Recently, amidst the serene backdrop of the Maldives, she effortlessly exuded island vibes, radiating pure bliss as she adorned herself in a stunning pink bikini. With each graceful movement, Pooja effortlessly showcased her enviable figure, her curves accentuated by the vibrant hue of her swimwear, and her sun-kissed tan lines adding to her allure. The confidence with which she flaunted her beauty and charm left her fans spellbound, as they were swept away by her magnetic presence. In every snapshot, the actress epitomized the essence of tropical elegance, her radiant smile mirroring the warmth of the Maldivian sun. Her serene demeanor and effortless poise mirrored the tranquility of her surroundings, creating a mesmerizing tableau that resonated with her audience. As she savored the serenity of the Maldives, her magnetic allure continued to captivate, leaving an indelible impression on all who beheld her radiant beauty amidst the idyllic island paradise. Disha Patni, the ever-stylish actress, recently flaunted her impeccable taste in swimwear with her latest beach ensemble. Opting for a strappy burnt orange bikini top adorned with captivating fringe detailing, paired effortlessly with matching tie-up bottoms, she effortlessly stole the spotlight. Embracing the carefree spirit of her holiday in true Malang style, she chose to forgo makeup, allowing her natural beauty to shine under the sun-kissed sky. Her tousle beach waves, left to air dry, added to the laid-back charm of her seaside look. For those yearning for a taste of vacation bliss or eagerly awaiting their next poolside adventure, her choice of swimwear serves as a delightful inspiration. With its playful fringe accents and vibrant color, her bikini is a must-have addition to any fashion-forward wardrobe. Whether lounging by the pool or strolling along the sandy shores, this fun and flirty ensemble are sure to turn heads. To elevate the look further, take a cue from her style playbook by accessorizing with chic gold hoop earrings or layering with a sheer cover-up for added sophistication. With a touch of glamour and a dash of confidence, you can effortlessly recreate her beach-ready look, ensuring that your next aquatic escapade is as stylish as it is memorable. Kiara Advani recently treated her followers to a captivating video showcasing her in a stunning hot pink bikini ensemble. Adorned with a pair of exquisite golden beaded hoop earrings and chic purple shades, she exuded effortless glamour against the backdrop of the breathtaking ocean vista. In the video, the actress is seen reclining on a net suspended above the crystal-clear waters, basking in the serenity of her surroundings. The clip opens with a mesmerizing view of the turquoise sea, setting the tone for a journey of tropical indulgence. The actress gracefully strolls along the pristine white sands, framed by a lush green canopy of towering trees and verdant shrubs. Continuing the visual feast, the video transitions to Kiara showcasing a picturesque line of rustic brown cottages overlooking the boundless expanse of azure sky and sea. Her infectious energy and radiant smile add an extra layer of charm to the idyllic scene, captivating viewer with every frame. Completing her beachside look with a dab of coral matte pink lipstick, Kiara elevates her allure with a dewy makeup finish. From fluttery mascara-clad lashes to a subtle rosy blush on her cheeks and impeccably filled-in eyebrows, her beauty regimen exudes sophistication and elegance. Alia Bhatt, the epitome of grace and style, was spotted basking in the sun on a picturesque beach, radiating warmth and joy in a vibrant yellow and orange bikini ensemble. Enhancing her beach-ready attire, she adorned herself with a pair of chic hoop earrings and vintage-inspired sunglasses, exuding an aura of timeless elegance. She also sported a sleek watch, adding a touch of sophistication to her ensemble. Her carefree demeanor and infectious smile were complemented by her tousled, wet hair, adding an extra dose of allure to her beach look. As she frolicked along the sandy shores, the gentle sea breeze played with her hair, creating a mesmerizing visual symphony that captivated onlookers. With each graceful movement, the actress effortlessly embodied the essence of summertime bliss, embracing the tranquility of the ocean and the warmth of the sun. Her beach ensemble not only showcased her impeccable fashion sense but also reflected her vibrant personality and zest for life. Amala Paul immerses herself in the refreshing embrace of the water, her laughter echoing amidst the serene surroundings. With each splash, she exudes an undeniable sense of freedom and happiness, her carefree spirit shining through every moment. As the camera pans, we witness Amala standing beneath the gentle cascade of the waterfall, her arms outstretched in a gesture of pure appreciation. With eyes closed, she surrenders to the beauty of her natural surroundings, allowing the cool water to wash over her and rejuvenate her soul. The lush greenery enveloping the waterfall adds to the enchanting scene, creating a picturesque backdrop for her moment of bliss. Her infectious laughter fills the air, a testament to the sheer joy she experiences in this idyllic setting. The radiant smile gracing her face serves as a reminder to cherish the simple pleasures that life presents us with, urging us all to embrace moments of pure happiness and contentment. Amala revel in the tranquility of the waterfall. We are inspired to seek out our own moments of serenity and joy, finding solace in the beauty of nature and the magic of the present moment. Kriti Kharbanda mesmerized onlookers with her breathtaking beach ensemble, radiating confidence and beauty in a vibrant two-piece bikini. The eye-catching tube bralette, adorned with vertical neon stripes in a striking array of lime, blue, white, pink, and lilac hues, effortlessly accentuated her figure. Delicate tie knot detailing at the back added a touch of playful charm to the ensemble, elevating her beach style to new heights. Paired with high-waisted bikini bottoms, her choice of swimwear exuded both elegance and boldness. She embraced the laid-back ambience of the beach. Kriti opted for a natural and understated makeup look, allowing her radiant complexion to shine through. With her tresses cascading in loose, beachy waves, she exuded an aura of effortless beauty and sophistication. Her beach ensemble not only showcased her impeccable fashion sense but also reflected her vibrant personality and adventurous spirit. With each graceful movement, she captivated onlookers with her undeniable charisma and confidence, leaving a lasting impression. She soaked up the sun's rays and reveled in the tranquility of the seaside. Kriti served as a beacon of inspiration for embracing one's unique style and celebrating the joys of summertime. Her beach-ready look epitomized the essence of summer glamour, reminding us all to embrace our individuality and bask in the beauty of life's simple pleasures. Shreya Saran effortlessly nailed the fashion brief, turning heads with her chic and glamorous ensemble during a sunny day out. Embracing the spirit of Coachella, she brought a touch of festival-inspired glamour closer to home with her dazzling white bikini set. While the iconic music festival may be miles away, the actress was determined to infuse the same vibrant energy into her beach day. Her choice of attire, a bright white bikini adorned with golden sequins, exuded the epitome of summer style. The playful shimmer of the sequins added a dazzling touch to the ensemble, making it an absolute essential for the season. The strappy bikini top perfectly complemented the equally glamorous high-waisted bikini bottoms, creating a cohesive and eye-catching look. Her fashion flair didn't stop there. Adding to the allure of her beach day ensemble, she accessorized with a twisted silver necklace, elevating her look with an extra dose of sparkle and sophistication. With each glint of sunlight against the sequins and shimmering jewelry, the actress radiated confidence and charm, making her day out in the sun with her son even more memorable. She soaked up the sun's rays and enjoyed quality time with her loved ones. The beauty embodied the essence of summer glamour, proving that style knows no bounds, even when far from the bustling festival grounds of Coachella. Her impeccable fashion sense and effortless grace served as a source of inspiration, encouraging others to embrace their individual style and shine bright in every moment. Kriti Sanon exudes sheer elegance and sophistication as she graces the beach scene in a stunning ensemble that exudes vibrant charm. Rocking a chic halter neck top in an eye-catching tropical print, the beauty effortlessly pairs it with a playful pink bikini bottom, creating a look that's both chic and playful. The backless crop top features a daring plunging neckline, adorned in a delightful array of hues including red, blue, yellow, orange, and white, evoking the essence of a tropical paradise. Her beach fashion prowess doesn't stop there. Alongside her statement-making top and bikini combo, she also incorporates timeless favorites like halter bikinis and flowy dresses, ensuring versatility and comfort in her seaside wardrobe. Each piece reflects her impeccable sense of style and her ability to effortlessly blend trendy elements with classic silhouettes. She strolls along the sandy shores, she exudes confidence and grace, captivating onlookers with her radiant smile and impeccable fashion sense. Her beach ensemble serves as a testament to her innate style and her ability to embrace bold colors and patterns with finesse. With every step, the actress embodies the essence of beach chic, proving that style knows no bounds when it comes to seaside fashion. Her playful yet sophisticated look inspires others to experiment with their own beach attire, encouraging them to embrace vibrant colors, daring prints, and timeless classics in equal measure. Vaani Kapoor continues to captivate with her latest photoshoot. The Shamshera star once again proves her style prowess as she stuns in a sultry ensemble. Her allure is undeniable as she sizzles in a sheer black dress, boasting a daring plunging neckline that accentuates her natural beauty and confidence. With each pose, the actress effortlessly embodies a sense of nonchalant elegance, effortlessly commanding attention and leaving admirers mesmerized by her undeniable charm. Her choice of attire perfectly showcases her ability to effortlessly blend sophistication with a hint of allure, making a bold yet understated statement. She radiates confidence in the striking black ensemble. The beauty reaffirms her status as a fashion icon, inspiring countless admirers to embrace their own unique sense of style and confidence. Her timeless appeal and undeniable charisma shine through in every frame, leaving a lasting impression on all who behold her stunning photoshoot. Ananya Pandey recently returned from Ibiza and treated her followers to a series of stunning snapshots showcasing her beachside adventures. In particular, she turned heads in a sleek black bikini ensemble, exuding sheer confidence and glamour in every shot. The aqua blue-colored bikini she wore featured a chic one-shoulder bra top, accentuating her décolletage with a tantalizing keyhole detail at the front. Its gathered design and fitted bust perfectly highlighted her curves, while the cropped midriff-bearing hem added a playful touch to her beach look. Paired with matching bottoms boasting a low-rise waist and high leg cutouts, Ananya radiated effortless allure and style. Completing her beach ensemble, the actress donned tinted sunglasses that added a touch of mystery to her gaze, while her flowing tresses cascaded freely, framing her glowing complexion and blush pink lips. Each element of her look came together seamlessly, showcasing her impeccable fashion sense and undeniable charisma. In another striking photo, the beauty flaunted an indigo blue-colored bikini with a similar one-shoulder neckline, a fitted silhouette, and a super-cropped midriff revealing hem length. Paired with matching bikini shorts and accessorized with black tinted sunglasses and open locks, she exuded an air of sophistication and confidence that left her followers in awe. With her beach-ready style and radiant beauty, the actress continues to set the bar high for chic summer fashion, inspiring countless admirers to embrace their own unique sense of style and confidence. Her Ibiza escapade serves as a testament to her adventurous spirit and unwavering glamour, leaving a lasting impression on all who follow her journey. Tamannaah Bhatia embraced the warmth of the sun in style, donning a vibrant hot pink two-piece bikini for her day out. Complementing the bold ensemble, she added a touch of flair with a floral cape, allowing her hair to flow freely around her shoulders. She explored the surroundings of her accommodation. Tamannaah savored the gentle breeze, basking in the tranquility of the moment. Capturing the essence of leisure, the actress was spotted enjoying the breathtaking sunset, accompanied by her companion who captured the serene moment on camera. Transitioning seamlessly from beachwear to casual chic, she later opted for a pink crop top paired with denim shorts, effortlessly blending comfort with style. Completing her look with the floral printed cape, Tamannaah exuded effortless charm and sophistication throughout her day of relaxation and enjoyment. Rashmika is turning heads and setting the internet ablaze with her stunning bikini photos. These captivating images of Rashmika are rapidly gaining viral traction online. In these snapshots, Rashmika exudes undeniable allure as she flaunts her sizzling hotness in a sleek black bikini. Adding an extra touch of glamour, she complements her swimwear with a skirt and top crafted from delicate threads. This bold and confident look marks a new chapter for Rashmika Mandanna, as she effortlessly ignites a spark in the hearts of her fans with her daring fashion choices. Shraddha Das donned a stylish bikini set featuring a subtle orange and black design with a corset pattern. This timeless ensemble not only showcases her impeccable fashion sense but also proves to be on trend with its triangular color block design. These stunning pictures were captured during Shraddha's holiday at a resort in Goa, where she is currently enjoying some well-deserved relaxation. The actress effortlessly added an easy breezy shrug over her two-piece ensemble, injecting a touch of glamour into her already alluring fashion statement. Paired with chic sunglasses, her stylish bikini ensemble exudes a flattering and effortlessly chic vibe, proving once again that Shraddha knows how to make a splash with her impeccable sense of style. Malavika Mohanam treated her followers to a mesmerizing video on her social media platform, radiating elegance and beauty in a stunning red floral bikini. With her hair glistening from the water, the actress captivates viewer with a glance over her shoulder, revealing her curvaceous back to the camera in a moment of captivating allure. Malavika gracefully diving into the depths of the water, accompanied by the nostalgic tunes of old-school music, creating a scene of timeless charm and natural beauty. Her effortless grace and poise in the water only serve to enhance her captivating presence, leaving her audience spellbound by her mesmerizing performance. Through this captivating video, the beauty once again proves herself as a true embodiment of beauty and elegance, captivating hearts with every frame. Well, there you have it. From floral prints to sleek neutrals, these actresses know how to slay in their bikini fashion choices. Which actress look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.